Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can simply sign up Bitmart account. So simply Bitmart is a trading platform where you can simply do trading over here. So I will teach you how you can simply sign up Bitmart, how to buy and sell the currency, and I will teach you how you can simply see the market overview and trade over here, like future trading, copy trading, and everything else I'm going to teach you. So I have provided the referral code and referral link in the description box. Please check it out. So first of all, you need to provide here an email, then after password. It's just a very simple way to sign up Bitmart account. Okay, so please enter the email, and then after enter your password, then after agree the terms and condition, please make sure that follow our referral link over there. So after that, you will be able to sign up Bitmart account. Then after, you will be see this kinds of interface over here. Like this is a home page of Bitmart, and here you can see like Bitcoin, Ethereum, ETH, Bitmart token, everything else. Like it is showing the data over here, like buy and sell, and this all things over here. So here buy and sell. So let me teach you how to buy and sell. So step by step we are going to do all these things. So you need to like enter an amount, and then after you will receive like a BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything else you want to exchange or you want to buy. Simply you can buy from here. So if I like just spend like $1,000, then I can get like 0.036781116 BTC. And then after, you will be able to see like the paying things, like all the stops like Visa card, MasterCards, everything else you can see over here. You can simply use any of these. So after that, you will be able to buy the Bitmart coin. Then after, please check out for the market over here. So simply you can see BTC, Bitcoin, ETH, Ethereum, everything else like GTC, USDT, everything, the data you can see over here. So you can see all these things like everything else, like for example, like Bitcoin, the previous value and the current value over here. And if you want to trade, then you can simply tap on trade now, then you can simply trade any kinds of currencies over there. So it's just a very simple and easy process. So if you want to trade, then this is the best platform, but yeah, this is your choice. So simply go on trade, and then after click on sport. Then after, you will be see these kinds of chart over here. So we are just going to trade for the like everything we are going to see, like for example, here you can see red and green, and red symbol for the buy, sell, and green for the buy. So if you want to buy, then you can simply see the chart over here. So here are the different types of currencies in the left side, and in the right side you can see buy or sell. Then after, you will be able to like enter an amount. Then after, if you want to buy, then simply you can buy those currencies over here. So here you can see like at the downward side, like you can see the history, order history, everything else, order limit, and here you can see the right side, like there are the buying and the selling rate of the cryptocurrencies over there. So everything else you can see over here, like you can simply change the currencies from the top right corner, top left corner. From the top right corner, you can able to see all these things, data, and from the top left corner, you will be able to change all these things. So furthermore, I'm going to teach you how you can simply do for the future trading. So this is a future trading, and this is a special features by Bitmart. So Bitmart features like future trading, you can simply see if you tap on trade now and agree the terms and condition, then after, you will be able to see this kinds of interface over here, and like for the open long and open chart. you can explore all these things over here. And for these like Bitmart features, this is the official features like BTC US dollar. And here you can see like for the green signal it's open long, and for the red signal it is open short. So please think before doing these kinds of cryptocurrency, buying cryptocurrencies over here. So simply I have teach you how you can simply do future trading over here. So please think before. Yeah, I have already said that. Please think before doing all these things. So we are just teaching you how to do all these things. So for now I'm going to teach you for the copy trading. So we are going to teach you all the features of Bitmart. So this is a plus point video for you. Don't forget to use our referral link and referral code which is in the description box. And simply you need to, so copy trading means simply you need to copy and just invest some amount of money. So you need to copy, so who are in the profit, so you can simply copy from them. So here are different types of top traders are here. So if you want select one of them, simply you will be see this kinds of interface over here. So simply you need to fix margin over here. For example, 200 or $2,000. So you need to spend this amount of money. Then after like here you can see all these things. So please enter the amount, so maximum follow amount. Then after you need to copy the trading of this person. So copy trading is, he is a top trader, he's already a top trader. Then we can simply copy from him and invest some amount of money. Then we can simply get some amount of profit from here. You can take for the other top trader also. So simply for this please enter and fix margin. Then after you will be able to see this kinds of interface. Then after a maximum follow amount, then if you read the terms and conditions, simply you can start copy trading. So if they are in a profit, then definitely you'll get also some amount of profit from here. So for the information you can see future trading information, here are all types of data available here. So simply you can take this information from Bitmart features. Okay, so like for the future trading, and there are lots of kinds of cryptocurrencies over here, and their amount, their latest value, their everything else it is going to teach you. Okay, so now furthermore, so we are here the event center. So Bitmart is day by day launching and different types of event. So participate here. So if you participate, then you will get extra reward, extra free reward over here. So if you think that this is best for you, then you can simply do for it. So Bitmart learn to earn. Okay, learn to earn. So this is their slogan, maybe not an issue. So I'll just close this what I have open. So I'll just close all these things. So I need to just see an overview. What is Bitmart learn to earn AMA program? So simply you can read this article. So this is in a event center features, which is in downward side. Please check this. So if you click on see more details, then you will be able to see many features, many information regarding event center. Then after you can simply read all these things. Bitmart launches learn to earn program. Okay, so if you read this very carefully over here. So now that much for today. So I have teach you how to sign up Bitmart account, how to do buy sell the currencies, and we have talked about the market also. We have talked about the future trading, everything else over there. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos regarding this. So till then, bye bye and take care. So don't forget to use our referral link and referral code, which is in the description box. So Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.